At times, you may need to incorporate tables into your drawings, and it's common to use a spreadsheet for this purpose. However, the challenge arises when you need to manually replace the screenshot of the spreadsheet in your drawing whenever you make changes. Capital Electra X lets you directly add tables into your drawings, and also ensures that your data remains easily editable. Here's how. Export your spreadsheet to TSV or CSV format and then import it back into Capital Electra X using our table plugin. Go to the Plugins tab, select the menu icon, Utilities and Tables. Click on the Tables plugin to run it, then click Import to select your TSV or CSV file. You may also edit the width and the height of the cells in the fields provided. Once done, click OK. Your table will be generated and you may now modify it according to your requirements. Additionally, if you prefer to store your spreadsheets and schematics in a single location for easy access, you may do so in Capital Electra X's dashboard. Select Connect Google Drive to integrate your Google account and allow relevant permissions. Then you may create a Google Sheet directly from your dashboard.